Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Kitchen Service is a business that deals in the making of pastries such as spring rolls, samosa, meat pie, cakes and all kinds of fruit juices and fruit drinks. Today's recipe is all about the making of jollof rice with fried chicken and salad. The ingredients for today's recipe include 4.5 cups of rice, 3 red onions, 1 carrot, spring onion, lettuce, green bell pepper, 1 small cabbage, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half pounds of chicken, ginger and garlic, 2 quarter-size sachet tomato paste, 5 tablespoons of powdered salt, 1 small pack each of maggi cube, nutmeg and curry powder, and a bottle of oil. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. Wash the chicken and put it in the saucepan. Add in ginger and garlic, that is the grinded ginger and garlic, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt with a little bit of water and allow it boil for 20 minutes. Remove the cooked chicken from the stock and set it aside. Wash the saucepan and set it aside. Pour some oil into a frying pan and let it simmer for about 2 to 4 minutes. Put in the chicken and allow it fry until it's golden brown. This is how the chicken should look like after it's done frying. Now let's make the stew we'll be using to cook the jollof rice. I'll be using frozen green pepper for the stew today. I freeze the pepper to prevent it from getting rotten or spoiled. Wash the pepper and put it in the earthenware bowl. Continue the process and grind the pepper with the wooden masher in the earthenware bowl. This is how the pepper should look after it's well grinded. Now pour some oil into the saucepan and let it simmer. Add in some red onions and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the grinded pepper and stir. Then pour a bit of water into the saucepan and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add in the tomato paste. Stir the tomato paste and the pepper together so that it is evenly mixed up. Pour in the chicken stock and allow it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Our stew is cooking as it should. Our stew is now ready. Add 2 cups of water to the stew and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Pour in the rice. Add in 2.5 tablespoons of salt and stir the rice. Stir the rice as it cooks to prevent it from getting burnt. Now fluff up the halfway cooked rice and cover it up with a napkin for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Our jollof is ready. Let's move on to the making of our salad. Boil 2 eggs and cut your vegetables into your preferred sizes and shapes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the veggies, pour in some water and wash them thoroughly. The ingredients for our salad is complete, so let's start it. Slice the hard-boiled eggs into the shapes or sizes that you want. Use a spoon to scoop some of the mayonnaise onto the veggies. Now stir the mayonnaise, eggs and salad together. Our salad is also ready. Now let's plate our food or dish. This is our end product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more spectacular videos like this. Till we meet again. Bye.